What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time watching the channel, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I've been doing more videos related to cryptos and finances, so you definitely don't want to miss that. So today we're gonna talk about Bitcoin and the crash that happened yesterday. So there's a lot of rumors that a lot of whales tried to manipulate the market yesterday, and it seems like they succeeded. So an insider from one of these hedge funds was posting on a forum, and they were suggesting that a lot of hedge funds were trying to get Bitcoin priced to at least $30,000, and that they were going to grab it at a discount whenever that happened. However, this did happen yesterday, and this insider is claiming that right after the dip, a lot of hedge funds were going to buy in and Bitcoin would be green soon, and that their next target for Bitcoin was going to be at least $70,000 in the coming months. So it would seem like this is a perfect opportunity for the hedge funds to come in and try to scoop up Bitcoin at a discount. What this anonymous insider is saying makes a lot of sense, because a lot of big corporations and hedge funds are seeing the opportunity in Bitcoin, and they don't want to miss out, and they don't want to buy in at the top. So what a lot of them will do, if they have a small position, they'll dump, and they'll try to get other people to dump. And when everybody see that Bitcoin price is dropping, the fear kicks in, and then everybody that don't really know about Bitcoin started selling off, and a lot of new investors sold off yesterday. Over 1.1 million new investors sold off their possessions yesterday. So most likely they sold off for a loss, and while they were selling off, the hedge funds were grabbing Bitcoin for a discount. So Bitcoin price recovered over 40% since the dip yesterday. It dips to $30,000 and it quickly recovered. So what I think might happen is they have a lot of limit orders pending for the price range of $35,000 to $30,000, and when it drops, a lot of those orders were filled, and then it shot right back up. So within the first couple hours, Bitcoin went back up. Within, I would say, like 4 to 6 hours, it went back up 40%. And at the time of this recording, Bitcoin went back all the way to $41,000. That's a 40% increase, but it's still down 35% from the all-time high last month, which was $64,000. So please be careful, guys. This is nothing new. Hedge funds use this type of tactics all the time in the stock market. For example, they used to always trash talk Elon Musk and Tesla and do all these press run, bad press about Tesla, and they'll go on TV, talk bad about Tesla while they're shorting Tesla. And a lot of hedge funds almost went bankrupt because they shorted Tesla so much, and Tesla ended up exploding, and there was like a short squeeze with Tesla, and they had to cover their positions, and Tesla exploded. So these type of tactics is not unusual, and this is how a lot of hedge funds make a lot of money. They try to manipulate the market, and then they try to get people to sell off so they could buy at a discount. If you look at the price history of Bitcoin, this is not the first time Bitcoin is dropping. Like, it's common for Bitcoin to have a crash every now and then. Back in 2013, that was one of the biggest crashes. Bitcoin dropped from $259 to $50. That was an 82% crash, and this happened in April of 2013. That same year, we saw another crash of 86% from $1,162 to $152. And another big crash was in 2017, when we saw Bitcoin went all the way from $19,000 to $3,200. And the other crash was in 2019 from 2019 to 2020, June 2019 to March 2020, Bitcoin went all the way from 12,800 to around 5,000. And this crash yesterday, it went from the all-time high of April 14th, which was $64,000, and it dropped all the way to $30,000 briefly. So this is not the first crash, and a lot of new investors, they get pressured and they get very emotional when the price drops. And that's why I always mention, like, please don't invest all of your money into the crypto market, and only invest money that you're willing to lose, because if you invest money that you're not willing to lose, you will get paper handed and you will panic sell. So it's always best to only invest money that you're willing to lose, so that you don't take a loss, because I do believe that crypto is here to stay and it's not going anywhere. But every now and then you're going to have a pullback, and every time it pulls back, it always comes stronger than before. And as I previously mentioned, this insider is claiming that the price of Bitcoin is going to rise sooner than we think to at least 70,000. That's his prediction after all these whales buying the dip. But we all know that it could go way higher than that. And I do feel like Bitcoin will see close to the six figures by the end of this year. However, Bitcoin is currently in a bearish trend right now. It keeps hovering around the upper 30,000 and the lower 40s. But I do believe that if Bitcoin could stay above $43,000 in the coming days or even the next week, it will try to resume to its uptrend. And if it gets to $46,000, that would confirm that it's going back into its bull run. And I don't feel like this bull run is over. I just feel like it's so many things happening right now, from the Elon news with Tesla not accepting Bitcoin, and then China, and then all these countries banning Bitcoin. But there's a lot of countries getting on board, so there's nothing to worry about, and Bitcoin is more popular than before, because now the NFT markets depends heavily on crypto, and most of the transactions are crypto transactions. So crypto is here to stay, and more organizations are welcoming crypto, because even through this crash and this bearish trend of Bitcoin, Wells Fargo is going to allow crypto services through its bank for its wealthiest clients. So that's a good look for Bitcoin. And the market currently is slightly bouncing back, and a lot of altcoin is doing well. And I just feel like this is just a beginning for crypto. So that's about it, guys. If you enjoy watching the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate you spending the time here with me today. Hope you have a blessed day. Peace.